Moringa, also known as the miracle tree, is a plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine due to its numerous health benefits. Here are some of the potential benefits of moringa. Rich in nutrients. Moringa is packed with nutrients including vitamins A, C, E, and K, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and protein. Antioxidant properties. Moringa is rich in antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Anti-inflammatory. Moringa has anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Lower cholesterol. Moringa may help lower cholesterol levels, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Blood sugar control. Moringa may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a useful tool for people with diabetes. Boost immune system. Moringa contains compounds that can help boost your immune system, making it easier for your body to fight off infections. Skincare. Moringa oil has been shown to have anti-aging properties, and can help keep your skin looking youthful. In terms of treatment, moringa has been used to treat a wide variety of conditions including 1. Anemia, 2. Asthma, 3. Arthritis, 4. High blood pressure, 5. Headaches, 6. Skin infections, 7. Digestive issues, 8. Inflammation, 9. Depression and anxiety. It's important to note that while moringa has many potential health benefits, more research is needed to fully understand its effects on the body. As with any supplement, it's important to talk to your doctor before adding moringa to your diet or using it for medicinal purposes.